welcome to day 2 of Unicorn Week. Today you're going to pull out your activity materials bag, and inside I'm going to have you pull out your craft roll, and then you're going to have this scalloped looking circle inside your bag too. You're going to need that today. And you're also going to need a couple of pieces of construction paper. So I have white, yellow, blue, pink, and purple. Now the blue, pink, and purple, they just need a small scrap piece. But the white and the yellow should be in your packet too. And we are going to be making a pencil holder, a unicorn pencil holder. And when you're done, you're going to be able to put, your pencils inside of it on your desk. Isn't that kind of nice? Okay, so you can also have, if you have it laying around the house, if mommy and daddy say yes, glitter. Yay! I mean, we're doing unicorns, you need glitter, right? You're also going to need some glue and some tape if you prefer, and a black marker. And I usually have a pair of scissors on hand just in case you need them to trim something up or to cut something out. Okay, so to get this wonderful unicorn holder, you're going to start with your craft roll. Okay, and it's white already, but you can take your white paper if you want it just a little bit cleaner, and you're going to line it up with your roll here. And I like to tape it to get it started because it gets a little loose if you don't tape it down first. And then roll that white paper all the way around your roll. Nice and tight. Nice and tight like that. Okay? And then you can tape it on the end, on the other end. Hold on. A little tricky to do. Okay. I'm going to hold it down and then tape the ends of your paper roll with the white paper on it. There you go. That's your start. All right, next you see on our finished product you have a unicorn horn and a couple of flowers here. Let's start with the unicorn horn. Now that is just a triangle. I have one pre-cut for you, but let me show you how I do cut, how you could cut it out. You just take a piece of yellow paper like that, and then you can either trace it with your eye, or sometimes what I do, which is a trick, is I'll look around my house or the library for something that's in the shape that I'm looking for, and then I'll trace it. Like if I didn't think I could make a triangle nice and straight and pointy, I'd find one and then I'd trace it and then I'd cut that. But I'm pretty good at triangles, so I'm just going to draw one down like that, and then I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so cut. Sometimes as you're cutting, like you saw I did have like a little extra line there, I can kind of cut it out. There you go, and there's my triangle. And I like to use the side that I didn't draw on so that you can't see it from the outside. And then all you want to do, if you want to glitter, okay, I recommend that you glitter first before you attach it. But I'm going to show you what it looks like without glitter today, because this is what it looks like with glitter, so you already know. So you want to find a good spot on your craft roll where you might want it to go. And this one I have probably about a quarter of the way down, and then you're going to glue it down. Okay, it works good with a glue stick. Works a little bit better with the Elmer's school glue, but you could do it with the glue stick. You might have to hold it there a little bit longer with the glue stick because our craft roll is round. And flat things on round things sometimes need a little bit of pressure and a little bit of time to get it to stick. All right, so there is my, see, the edges are popping up. But it'll stick down eventually. You just have to kind of hold it there for a minute. All right, so there's our unicorn horn that's glued on there. I'm just gonna hold it for a few seconds to make sure that it stays. You could always use tape too if you have tape on hand to get it to stick. I might actually do that if it doesn't stay for me. There we go. There we go. Now my unicorn horn is attached. Now as you can see, I have a couple of flowers on my unicorn. Okay, you can use stickers. There's some unicorn stickers in your bag if you want to use those. You can cut out your own flowers. You can find real flowers if you have flowers outside that you could use. I have a special tool that I use to cut out my flowers. I have a little flower cutter. So I have 5 flowers on this one. I'm going to cut out 5 flowers today. So I just go 1. That's kind of cheating, huh? But it's pretty handy if you have a paper cutter around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe I'll do another blue one. I'm feeling like having an extra blue flower today. All right, so from there, you're going to glue the flowers along the bottom of the unicorn horn, right there. You can decide your own pattern. So I'm going to make my flowers puff up a little bit by giving them a little scrunch. Give them a little scrunch. Doo, doo, doo. There we go. And then you can paste them down. Where'd my glue go? There it is. So just put a little dot on the back of your flower. So if you're using your Elmer's glue, just a little dot. Glue stick, like I said, works just as good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. And then I've got 2 more. 4. Now we know that unicorns like rainbows. You can do rainbow colors with your flowers or embellishments. You could also, the unicorn has the white ring around it, so you can color your unicorn if you want. You can put any design on your unicorn if you want. These aren't behaving very well for me today, but they'll stick. Just a little time. There you go. They're kind of popping up. We'll get them to stick there. There they go. All right. Now next is the unicorn face, and it's very simple. As you can see, I just gave the unicorn 2 ears. This one isn't sticking out too good. When I drew the ears first on this one before, and then when I glued my flowers down, I kind of covered up the ear. So this time I'm going to do the flowers first and then fill in the ears so that the ears don't hide so good. So you're going to take your black marker and just draw 2 ears behind the flowers, one on this side and one on that side, just like you have an ear on each side of your face. So you just a quick little whoop. There's 1 and 2. 2 ears. There you go. And then to get the eyes, there are 2 half circles or 2 U's underneath. You just take your marker and go whoop. And just like so. Very easy. And you give your unicorn eyelashes if you want. You give your unicorn a nose or a mouth. Whatever you'd like. It's yours. You can make it look as unicorny as you want. All right, now if I was to put a pencil in here, it would fall right through. Right? It needs a bottom. And that's what this scallop circle is for. So to get that scallop circle to stick to the bottom of your craft roll, I would suggest your Elmer's glue and just do a very small line all around the bottom. Okay, put your scallop circle down on the table and then just place it down just like so. Just place it down. Okay, and then you can kind of adjust it a little bit if the scallops are, so that the scallops are poking out just right. You want to make sure you cover all the ends and it fits just right. There you go. All right, and now you have a unicorn pencil holder. Just give it a few minutes to dry before you put any pencils in there. Okay? All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Hope you enjoy. Bye.